сломался. Вот этот.
After we removed the console, there are a few things we wanted to point out. First of all, we were thinking of installing a bigger, more powerful LED bulbs in here, but we realized that, well, it's a different size, so it won't fit. It actually won't fit into this opening from inside, from this side here. So we thought that maybe it's possible to disassemble this console altogether. So we have 3 retainers on this side, 3 on this, 2 right here and 2 more right there. And there is a pivot that holds the glass housing in place. So at first it appeared that we could open it by doing this, but then we found out that there is actually a pin here, a small black pin that blocks the opening of this retainer. I believe there is same on this side, right here it's the same, and yeah, the other ones I believe can be opened, but because of these pins and the pivot, the only way you can open it is by breaking something, and after you break something, probably you won't be able to assemble it all together. If you take one bulb out, you can see there is a black plastic thing or retainer that basically holds it in place as well. So because of that, the idea with these powerful bulbs, LED bulbs, won't work, and we'll have to stick to something like this, the original size that fits from inside. Hi guys, today we're going to replace OEM bulbs in sun visor light in 2020 Toyota RAV4. We'll be using the LED bulbs from AUXITO. They should be very bright. As you can see, there are lots of LED elements, and these bulbs, they fit sockets 168, 194, 2825, etc. Mainly used for map light, dome light, and so on. Well, in our case, they should work perfectly. So before we begin, I will show you how to remove the light assembly. So you need to know that there is a latch on the left side of each light. So there is a latch on this one and latch right here. To remove them, you can use credit card. Start prying from the bottom and kind of go towards the left side. This way you should be able to completely remove the whole assembly. And as you can see, this is the OEM bulb, and this is the latch, and yes, the latch that we were talking about. Just pull the bulb out. This is the OEM bulb. And the new LED. You have to observe the polarity. So right now, as you can see, it's not working. If it doesn't, just turn it around. And now it works. Alright, so this is our LED. Nice white, bright color. And our yellow OEM light. Right now I will show you the difference in the dark area. Let's see how LED looks versus the OEM. And this is the difference. Again, as we said, LED is a lot brighter opposed to OEM. I think it looks great. If you guys like this product, the link will be in the description. Hi guys, today we're going to replace the rear passenger dome light, the OEM bulb, with the LED from AUXITO. I'll show you guys how it looks, how the OEM looks. And we'll be using this D3175 bulb from AUXITO. For the installation we'll be using small screwdriver and the plastic trim removal tool. In order to remove this plastic cover, you may be able to see two slots, small slots on the switch side. These two can be used to remove the cover. Carefully pry it open, and as you can see there are two hooks on the other side. That's why you have to start from the side with the switch, otherwise you will break these plastic hooks. Now you can remove the OEM bulb. Using the screwdriver. This bulb comes with 6 LED elements, and there is also a heatsink in the back. And as you can see, LED is much brighter than the OEM, looks a lot better. Our installation is complete. As you could see, it's pretty straightforward, very easy to do it by yourself. If you guys like this product, I will leave the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Hi guys, today we will install LED bulbs in cargo light in the trunk of 2020 Toyota RAV4. For this installation we'll be using the AUXITO LEDs. To remove the light you simply need to pry the left side and it comes out. Disconnect the connector. And here it is. To disassemble the housing you need to find two small latches and push this end up. Now you need to use a small screwdriver like this to push on the other side of the plastic cover, and then it will come out. And this is a bulb. To remove the bulb you can use the same small screwdriver and push it out this way. Now we can install the new LED. If it doesn't fit, you can remove this part and install it this way. And now we can put everything back together. Right now we'll go to a darker place and see how much light we get with the new LED. And this is our new bright LED. This is how much light we can get. Looks a lot better than the OEM. One more time, guys, the link for the product will be in the description. If you like it, make sure to check it out, and we will see you in the next video.